Here's a polished narration-style version of your Autodesk AEC showreel script, refined for a professional cinematic delivery. Autodesk AEC Showreel. The Autodesk AEC Showreel offers a breathtaking glimpse into the future of architecture, engineering, and construction, revealing how cutting-edge digital tools are transforming the way we design and build our world. Powered by AI, building information modeling, BIM, and cloud collaboration, this visual journey highlights projects ranging from futuristic skyscrapers and smart infrastructure to sustainable urban landscapes. Each scene demonstrates the strength of Autodesk's software ecosystem, Revit, AutoCAD, Civil 3D, and beyond, empowering architects and engineers to work smarter, faster, and seamlessly across borders. From dynamic simulations of energy-efficient buildings to real-time clash detection and massive infrastructure coordination, the reel showcases the perfect fusion of creativity and technology. The Autodesk AEC Showreel is more than a portfolio, it's a vision of tomorrow, showing us how the world of the future is already being built today. Do you want me to make this more cinematic and dramatic, like a trailer voiceover, or more documentary style and informative for professional presentations? Axiom Station is a milestone in the future of human spaceflight, set to become the world's first commercial space station. More than just an orbiting outpost, it's being designed as a hub for research, innovation, and even tourism, representing the next step in our permanent presence beyond Earth. In its early phase, Axiom will connect directly to the International Space Station, but over time, it will separate and operate as a fully independent orbital platform. Inside, it's equipped with cutting-edge laboratories for science and industry, advanced habitats for long-term living, observation decks for studying Earth, and even dedicated luxury suites for space visitors. Built to host up to 8 astronauts or private guests, Axiom balances comfort with capability. Orbiting at more than 17,000 miles per hour in low Earth orbit, its modular design ensures it can grow with future needs, expanding into a larger complex over time. Beyond its technical role, Axiom serves as a gateway to the future of space commerce, supporting microgravity manufacturing, international research, and private missions. With upcoming partnerships and commercial space flights, it's transforming what was once science fiction into reality, paving the way for life and business in space like never before. Would you like me to rewrite this into a cinematic-style narration script, slow-paced, dramatic tone, or a fast-paced documentary style, clear, energetic, informative? It might sound like something pulled straight from the pages of science fiction, but the idea of humans living on other worlds is quickly moving from imagination to possibility, and perhaps even to reality within our lifetimes. Scientists and engineers are already exploring how we could establish permanent settlements on the moon, construct vast cities on Mars, or even build enormous... Here's a polished 200-plus word rephrased script for Aeralis, keeping it smooth and engaging for a 1+ minute narration. Aeralis is redefining the future of military aviation with a fully modular jet platform unlike anything seen before. Instead of developing multiple specialized aircraft for different missions, Aeralis offers a single common fuselage that can be customized with interchangeable wings, engines, and mission systems. This innovation slashes costs, streamlines logistics, and allows one aircraft to perform the role of many. The adaptability of this system is remarkable. Within just 24 hours, the aircraft can be reconfigured for tasks such as advanced pilot training, intelligence, and surveillance operations, or even light combat missions. This level of flexibility ensures that air forces can respond quickly to changing operational needs without the burden of maintaining large fleets of different aircraft types. Beyond its modular design, Aeralis incorporates cutting-edge avionics, a next-generation digital cockpit, and advanced fly-by-wire controls, delivering high-performance flight dynamics while remaining intuitive and easy to operate. Maintenance and upgrades are streamlined, further reducing long-term costs and complexity. Developed with both domestic and international defense markets in mind, Aeralis presents a versatile, efficient, and cost-effective solution for modern air forces, balancing capability with sustainability. More than just a jet, it represents a new philosophy in military aviation, where adaptability is the ultimate advantage. Would you like me to reframe this narration in a cinematic military case style, epic, dramatic, almost like a promo video, or in a professional defense expo style, factual, polished, and technical, as miniature worlds of their own. Yet once we set our sights beyond Mars, the true challenge of interstellar travel becomes clear. The distances between planets are immense, but the gulf between stars is almost unimaginable. With today's technology, we could potentially use nuclear-powered spacecraft to explore every corner of our solar system. But the nearest star, Proxima Centauri, lies more than 4 light-years away. At conventional speeds, such a trip would take tens of thousands of years, so long that countless generations would be born, live, and die aboard the ship before ever arriving. But what if we pushed further? With a breakthrough in fusion propulsion, we might one day build engines capable of reaching 5% the speed of light. At that velocity, humanity could cross the gap to Proxima Centauri in just over a century, a single human lifetime rather than millennia. Still, even that feels slow when compared to our dreams. To truly go fast enough, we may need to rethink the fabric of space itself. By bending, compressing, or stretching spacetime, essentially creating a warp bubble, a ship could leap across vast distances in months instead of centuries. Such a leap wouldn't just change travel, it would change everything about who we are, where we live, and how we see our place in the universe. And the first steps toward that future might already be underway. Do you want me to make this closer to 2 minutes for a slower cinematic narration style? Here's a fully rephrased 200+ word extended script for Aria Gen 2, designed to flow smoothly for narration and last more than 1 minute. The Aria Gen 2 is not just another piece of wearable tech. It is a complete redefinition of smart eyewear, combining modern design with the power of augmented reality in a form that feels natural, stylish, and effortless. Crafted with everyday use in mind, it merges a high-resolution microdisplay, intuitive voice control, and immersive spatial audio into an ultra-lightweight frame that looks as good as it performs. Driven by advanced AI intelligence, the Aria Gen 2 brings information directly into your field of vision. Whether it's real-time navigation, incoming messages, or instant contextual data, everything you need appears right before your eyes, without the constant need to reach for a phone. Its hands-free interface responds to subtle voice commands and natural gestures, creating a seamless and intuitive AR experience that adapts to your lifestyle. The Gen 2 takes things further with enhanced battery performance, faster connectivity, and a privacy-first design that ensures your data remains secure. For professionals, it's a productivity tool that makes multitasking smarter and more efficient. For everyday explorers, it's a companion that transforms how you interact with the digital world. From navigating crowded city streets to unlocking on-the-go tools and entertainment, the Aria Gen 2 makes digital interaction feel effortless, personal, and futuristic, a true glimpse into the next era of connected living. Do you want me to make the next ones, like your other scripts, more cinematic and dramatic for video narration, or more professional and informative like a product showcase? Here's a polished, extended version of your Pulsar L script, rephrased to flow naturally, hit over 200 words, and sound like a professional tech showcase narration. The Pulsar L, also known as Pulsar Lite, represents the newest evolution in Endural Industries' Pulsar family of software-defined electromagnetic warfare systems. Compact, lightweight, yet incredibly powerful, this next-generation solution is built to deliver advanced electronic warfare capabilities right at the tactical edge. Engineered with precision, Pulsar L provides the ability to detect, identify, track, and neutralize electronic threats across a wide spectrum. Unlike traditional EW systems that are rigid and often limited to specific threats, Pulsar L is designed with adaptability at its core, ensuring effectiveness in a variety of operational environments, from dense urban landscapes to high-altitude missions. One of its standout features is its rapid deployment capability. The entire system can be operational in under 2 minutes, requiring no specialized technical expertise. This means that advanced EW power is no longer limited to highly trained specialists. It is now accessible to a broader range of warfighters, enabling both dismounted units on the ground and airborne teams in the sky to harness its potential. With its user-friendly design, versatility, and unmatched speed, the Pulsar L is more than just a piece of equipment. It is a force multiplier, redefining how electronic warfare is brought to the battlefield and setting a new standard for the future of tactical defense. Do you want me to make this script sound more like a serious military briefing, authoritative and formal, or like a futuristic defense tech showcase, cinematic and dramatic? Here's a refined 200-plus word narration script for EVA, keeping it smooth, engaging, and ready for a showcase voiceover. EVA is taking the concept of delivery robots to the next level with a multi-terrain system designed not just to transport, but to lift and deliver cargo without human assistance. Unlike traditional ground-based robots that still rely on people to load and unload, EVA is engineered to handle packages weighing up to 85 kilograms on its own. Its hybrid design makes it both agile and energy efficient. On smooth surfaces such as sidewalks and pavements, EVA glides effortlessly on wheels, moving like a small electric vehicle. When it arrives at its destination, its lifting system allows it to autonomously pick up, carry, and drop off heavy cargo boxes, eliminating one of the biggest limitations of current delivery bots. Navigation is powered by a fusion of GPS, LiDAR sensors, and vision-based cameras, enabling EVA to detect and avoid obstacles, plot efficient routes, and safely operate in busy urban environments. Whether crossing city streets or maneuvering around pedestrians, it demonstrates the intelligence needed for seamless real-world integration. Though EVA is still being refined in research and testing phases, its potential is clear. A future where autonomous robots handle logistics end-to-end, reducing human effort, increasing efficiency, and paving the way for smarter last-mile delivery solutions. Do you want me to stylize this narration more like a futuristic tech promo, exciting, cinematic, visionary, or a practical business pitch, professional, focused on logistics efficiency? Here's a refined narration-style version of your Slate Truck script, clear, engaging, and fitting for a tech product showcase. Slate Truck. The Slate Truck is a bold new take on the electric pickup, designed with affordability, simplicity, and customization at its core. This compact two-door pickup embraces a no-frills philosophy, featuring unpainted gray polypropylene composite body panels and even the option for manual crank windows. Instead of a built-in infotainment system, it encourages users to bring their own tech, with a standard phone mount and an optional tablet mount. But what truly sets the Slate Truck apart is its modularity. With over 100 planned accessories, owners can reconfigure the vehicle to fit their lifestyle, including a flat pack conversion kit that transforms it into a 5-seat SUV. 2 battery options will be available, targeting ranges of 150 to 240 miles, making it practical for both daily commutes and weekend adventures. From DIY upgrades to custom vinyl wraps, the Slate Truck empowers drivers to shape their vehicle their way, delivering not just a truck, but a canvas for creativity. Do you want me to make this one sound more futuristic and cinematic like a concept reveal, or more like a practical product demo highlighting? Includes a quick swap battery, allowing users to extend their distance without locking down. Combined with intuitive controls, it's designed so perfect fusion of fun, safety, The Volonaut Airbike represents a bold leap into the future of personal aerial mobility, offering a vision of transportation that feels like it belongs in a science fiction film, but is rapidly becoming reality. Unlike traditional vehicles stuck in traffic, this advanced flying machine allows riders to glide smoothly above congested streets, redefining the way people move through urban spaces. Crafted with a lightweight carbon fiber frame, it balances strength with agility, while its powerful electric rotors provide both speed and efficiency. Capable of reaching up to 75 miles per hour, or about 120 kilometers per hour, it delivers a thrilling yet safe flight experience tailored for individual riders. With a load capacity of around 220 pounds or 100 kilograms, the Airbike is ideal for solo commuters making their way across busy cityscapes or even taking short trips between neighboring towns. One of its most impressive features is its vertical takeoff and landing ability, which means it doesn't require a runway or special infrastructure. Users can lift off from compact urban spaces with ease. Enhanced by advanced AI-assisted controls and a self-balancing system, the vehicle ensures smooth handling and reliable stability, even for people flying for the very first time. Beyond its technical achievements, the airbike is designed with a futuristic aesthetic that makes it as visually striking as it is functional. Its intuitive user interface simplifies operation, while its clean, all-electric propulsion ensures quiet, eco-friendly performance. This is more than just a new mode of transport. It represents freedom, innovation, and the next era of human mobility where personal flight could one day be as common as riding a motorcycle. Would you like me to expand it to a slower-paced 2-minute script for narration, or keep it at a snappy 1-minute delivery?